Bruh, you already know where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? My second home. Live about 5 minutes down the street from it. You know what I'm saying? You already know what the fuck going on. But I'm gonna get something to eat real quick, and then we're gonna meet up with Jackie, and we'll see what's gonna be going on. And oh, FRS guy. Oh wow. Bruh, you already know. You know what I'm saying? Sheesh. Shit look bussin'. But yeah. I'm gonna go eat this real quick, and then we'll meet up with Jackie once we get the oh shit, I forgot. I also got pineapple juice. You know what I'm saying? Busting shit ever. Come on, bro. You know what I'm saying? But that's all I want to tell you. Alright, y'all. So we back here. Jackie's car in the back. And sheesh. You guys, new wheels for the IS. We're here at Southwest Tire Shop, and they're gonna mount his new wheels on the old tires he has. They're still brand new, but he's just gonna switch them over. And how you feeling?
Happy.
You happy?
Hell yeah.
Let me see. Open that bitch up. Open that bitch up. Damn.
No, I joined the gang.
Damn.
Join the gang.
Shut your eyes. These are a 18 by 9.5 plus 15, so they are gonna be aggressive. They're gonna poke out way more than those, and can't wait to see him on. Where am I at, bro?
Where you at, bro?
Where am I at, bro?
Come on, bro. What? Look at this.
Fuck you.
You keep it there in your garage, it's still dirty.
Fuck you. How much was it?
It was technically like, I don't know, I think it's like $958 for the whole set.
$958?
Brand new, bro.
Shout out to Autobahn Performance for hooking up the wheels to Jackie.
Oh, yeah.
They're the
I was basically one of the first people to buy it. Because it just came out.
Yep, yes sir. And how long did you wait? Like 2 weeks?
Yeah, like 2 or 3 weeks.
2 or 3 weeks.
It's not bad for some brand new rims that didn't even come yet.
Woo. Proud of my boy.
Oh yeah.
Come on, bro.
I joined the game. He should have never left.
Fuck you. But yeah, again, 18 by 9.5 plus 15, so
yeah.
Should be more aggressive, more poke on the IS. White on white though?
White on white.
White on white, cut.
Better than black on white though.
Look at that, bro.
White on white is way better. In my opinion.
Alright, we're gonna see you once the wheels are mounted on. See this? Y'all see this? Watch this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wee. What you doing over here, Trevor? What a low guy, bro.
You know what I got Brembos?
Oh. Wow. Wow. Trevor, bro.
Yeah.
Go look at it.
You got Brembos, bro?
Yes, go look at it, bro.
Go look at it. I do not believe it.
Oh, Billy, you want to tell them what you got there?
Trash bags. That's all I can say.
Billy did get something for his SI. We are going to make a video of it pretty soon. I mean, in like the next like couple videos, probably like in the next one or the one before, after that.
Yeah.
But how you feeling, Billy? How you feeling?
Got trash bags, bro.
Hey, how much you spend? But yeah, right now we're going to be doing Trevor's lip, and then we're going to be doing my my tie rod. So yeah. Sheesh. Is that carbon fiber, fool? Carbon fiber. Wow. Look at this NTO3 guy. But Trevor is officially in the group, as you can see. I don't know if is it straight to y'all. Let's see. All right, this is how we test it. The emblem. Oh no, it's crooked. What the? Hey yo.
Hey, Dylan's is cricket though.
Is that a Tomei dog? Is that a Tomei dog? Is that a Tomei? Hey yo, he got a Tomei dog. He got a Tomei dog. Sheesh. Extreme. What? Extreme. Oh, extreme. Extreme. Wow. Look at that fitment, dog. Crispy. Crispy fitment.
It's that eBay Fitment
Look at that
special, bro.
fitment cut. Juicy. Sheesh, you got bags.
Should I put the middle one in, dude?
Damn.
You put the middle one in?
Look at these Yankees, though. What a performance guy, bruh. These for boo or real? Which thing?
They feel gazy for real, bro.
Damn, dude. Dude,
Trevor can't afford these, man. He spent all the money on this thing already.
Oh my god, what a noob. Isn't that an STI too? What a noob. What are you doing, bruh?
He fucking up.
He fucking up, bruh. What happened here, Ethan?
Oh, you talking about? You guys, he fucked up in San Jose, man. Man, I witnessed it. I was in the car, man. Man, boom, ran into the curb, bro. Literally hit the curb so hard, dude. The car flew up like 2 feet. Bro. It was bad, bro.
Bruh, how you curb rash with no stretch, bruh?
Hey, you know why he crashed too, bro? He crashed because he was looking at Aaron's car, bro.
Alright, before the sun goes down, which it basically kind of is already, but we gotta put these tie rods in. It shouldn't be that much, and yeah, looking good. This is what it all came with. Yes sir, and it came with new what are these things called? I don't know what it is, but the thing I love the most, when companies send me a sticker. A motherfucking sticker. Yes sir. I'm probably gonna take this skunk tooth one off since it's like peeling already, and then replace it with this one. This is pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. Damn son, where'd you find this? But while they do that, I'm gonna install the tie rods. It shouldn't be that much. I've researched how to do it, and it shouldn't be that hard. So yeah, let's get right into this install. So we got the old one out, thanks to Javi.
Of course.
Fuck you. What we did was we got a monkey wrench and just took that bitch out, and then now we're gonna put this one in, and hopefully this should fix my toe. It kind of, hopefully this will make my camera look a lot better. I heard good things about Hardrace. I was gonna go K-Tune, but Hardrace is like the top tier for inner and outer tie rods. So here's the old tie rod, and there's the new. Looks way better. And oh, look who pulled up. E30 guy. But Trevor got his lip on, and we'll see that when we're done with the tie rods. But look at this. Ooh, beautiful. And look, it pooped on me, bruh. It pooped on me. Look at that shit. It pooped on me. Like, if I squeeze this, poop will come out, bruh. I swear to God. Yeah, look how stiff these are. Like, I won't. Look at that shit. But then this, like, you can just You just do this. Oh hell no, bro. But let's put these on, take out the other side, and we'll see you guys when we're done with it.
Pop your top and how you lose your cool and how you look at me to say why it ain't no fighting, no I can't stop it. This took a while for the way you pump your fist, how you bust your hip for my affection. Tryna be down, no fighting, no stopping, stick around. And you're the type of girl I take over to mama, the type of girl I know your daddy be proud of, be proud of, be proud of, be proud of. The type of girl I wanna turn into a mama, the type of girl that I'm already proud of.
Alright y'all, so as y'all can probably tell, we just got done. Hey, film that guy, film that guy.
No, not little car sick, bro.
Car sick, guys.
You good, Ricky?
I'm good.
You good?
Oh my god, bro, that was insane.
Hey,
That's pretty good.
That was pretty fun, bro. No
I
lie.
saw like one turn, it was like, I was going hella fast,
Bro,
and
one-
I see Aaron just grab the handle.
Bro, the one turn that we slid out, bro, I was like, oh, hell
That's
no.
a post off.
I saw
So for me, I need to drop the car a little bit. I need sway bar. I need fucking crossbar, and I'll be sticking to the ground because I got
Yes,
so much
sir.
body roll, dude. It's like,
Yeah, me too.
bro, you're lower than me.
No, I'm stock height, folks.
You're lower than me.
Oh no, yeah, you're right. You're lower than me.
Yeah.
You're lower than
But I
me.
dude,
still-
Dustin
I-
was
I-
scraping so
Bro,
much,
I was
bro.
scraping and rubbing so
Dude, Dustin's
bad.
like.
Alright, y'all, so it is the next day since the last time you guys saw me. I'm in the back of the RSX, as you guys can probably tell. But I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is a little bit of upgrade on the quality of the vlogs. I'm gonna just show you guys what happened to the old camera, but I did upgrade to a new camera. Let's just yeah. Yeah. If you guys are wondering what camera I was using before, on the old vlogs, it is the oh damn, the thing is gone, but it is the Sony a6000. It was a good little vlog camera, but it was time to actually finally upgrade. Since I can't even use this no more, the whole battery popped out, and I'm glad that the SD card was still in. But yeah, funny story was I left it on Billy's car. I thought I brought it into my car, and then we stopped for an ambulance, and then we finally went. It slipped off and I ran it over. So yeah, GG's to the old camera. But I will show you guys the new camera. It is like so much better. I always wanted this camera, but I never had the balls to actually pull the trigger on it. But it is finally time to finally upgrade, and I hope you guys are going to like the vlogs. These vlogs are going to be 100 times better. You guys have watched the nighttime videos. The nighttime videos on the old camera was pretty trash. The quality was but on this camera, oh my god, it's so much better. But yeah, I hope you guys can see the difference in quality between the old camera and this one. But I'll show you guys what the new camera looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh shit, oh shit, and I have the camera. Oh shit, and I have the little mouse thing. I mean the little cat thingy for the mic. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, shout out to Trevor for letting me use this. He doesn't even use it, so he let me use it, and hopefully the vlogs will be a lot better and less wind noise, and the quality looks so much better between the old camera and this camera. And this is the Sony a7 II, a7 Mark II. I always wanted this camera, and it's finally time to finally upgrade. And the difference in quality between the a6000 and this one is so much better, and the pictures and quality between the old camera and this camera on pictures and video, so much better. And the vlogs are gonna be so much better with this camera, and I can't wait to film more with it. Yeah, this is it. Sony a6000, I mean Sony a7 II. And if you guys can guess how much I got it for, I'll heart it in the comments down below if you guys can guess. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please hit that like button. More content coming soon. I know the vlog is all over the place, but I'm sorry about that. I just been vlogging every single day, and I might as well just put it all in one vlog. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the Toge and Jackie's new wheels. I know I had to cut it short because the old camera got fucked up and I had to get a new one. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one very soon. It's AronRSX signing out. Peace.